The first parole hearing has started for the Menendez brothers. Eric's hearing began this morning. Lyle's will be tomorrow. A ruling for the parole board could come quickly, but it doesn't mean the brothers will be freed soon. With us is Irvine-based criminal defense attorney Lauren Johnson-Norris. Lauren, thanks so much for joining us.
Glad to be here.
We spoke with someone this morning who's been following this closely. He believes they could be released as soon as this weekend. Do you think that might happen?
Well, even if they are granted parole, there's a 120-day period that administratively they look at that, and then it goes to the governor, and the governor has 30 days to decide. So all of that's going to be dependent on how those outcomes come out.
What usually happens at these hearings? Take us inside. What kind of questions are asked?
Well, the parole hearing officers are going to be looking to see if these folks pose an unreasonable risk of danger to society, and they're going to be considering factors like remorse or insight, their behavior and rehabilitation while they've been incarcerated, as well as their plans for the future. So what life would look like once they are released. There will be testimony and documents from victim and family, and the district attorney gets to weigh in with his position as well.
And the district attorney, Nathan Hodgman, as we know at this point, believes the brothers should stay in jail. They still pose a threat to the public. As far as a time that they served, whether they're rehabilitated by this point, whether whatever the motivations were for murdering their parents all those years ago, what argument can he make that they are still a danger to the general public?
The DA takes the position that as long as they maintain that they operated in self-defense and killed their parents in self-defense, that they are lying and not taking full responsibility. He said earlier that if they were to say that that was a lie, he would reconsider and at least take another look at whether or not he thought that they posed a danger to society. But I think as long as they maintain that they were abused and they operated in self-defense, he's going to oppose their release.
Can the DA appeal this if it doesn't go his way?
So if the DA does not like the outcome, certainly the DA can take his case to the governor, and ultimately if the governor denies it, likewise, the brothers can have another hearing in 3 years. Also, it can be litigated in court. So there are a lot of options for both sides.
That's Lauren Johnson-Norris, Irvine-based criminal defense attorney. Lauren, thanks so much.
Glad to be here. Take care.
You too. 1:20, let's get a check of your money. Here's Margaret.